All right. How are you guys? Go ahead and make sure you have a piece of paper ready to go to take some notes. We are going to talk about algebraic expressions. Go ahead and write that at the top of your paper. All right. This is leading us into target number one, which is about equations. The main difference between an expression and an equation is that an expression does not have an equal sign. We are gonna start with the basic expressions that you're gonna see in algebra. The first one we will talk about is 3 next to the variable x or y. Basically, any letter could be a variable. But what does that actually mean? What does it mean when you see a number next to a variable like x? That actually means multiply. So the way we would kind of translate 3x, it would be 3 times x, or you might say 3 multiplied by x or 3 by x. Okay, that is basically I need you to understand that anytime a letter is next to a number, that means to multiply. Okay, make sure you are following along, writing this down. The next one you might see is, let's say we had the variable x and then in a fraction form over 4. Anytime you see a fraction, this fraction bar here in the center, that actually means division. So the way you would translate this, it is basically x divided by 4. Okay, you are dividing x by 4 there. Okay, the next one you might see is x plus 5. It's a little more straightforward. Basically, you're adding 5 to whatever x is. And remember, a variable x really represents a number. X can be any number there. So x plus 5 is what that one would mean. X plus 5. Okay, I'm just going over some of the expressions that you're going to see in this section. And then the next one, we'll say x minus 8. Okay, or x subtracted by 8. I'm going to use minus x minus 8, and you are subtracting there. Okay, I'll give you a couple seconds. Make sure you write those down, and then I'm going to give you a couple practice ones. You could always pause this video and write them after. I'm going to move on here. Okay, so go ahead and translate these for me. Tell me what this means. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. And number 4. And you are just going to tell me what they mean or what operations they are. All right. And I guess that'll be your assignment. And don't forget to do the IXL practice as well. Thanks. See you later.